much. And before I go, I just want to clear something out. This is my nose. I'm sorry to tell you, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but it is for 31 years now. Yeah, camera please. Hindi, 31, magte-31 na ako eh. Ilang minutes na lang. Ha? Ha? O kung hindi ko pa sinabi, hindi nyo pa ako sasabatiin. Camera, focus on the nose. Come on. Para pakita natin kung may tahi. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wala na, hindi na na-focus yung ilong ko. Ako na lang ang lalapit. Halika dito, mamang cameraman. Halika. Aba, hindi ako basta-basta pwedeng magpagawa ng ilong dahil mababago po ang boses. Alam niyo na, bread and butter. No, but really, before I go tonight, I'd like to say thank you to Direk Freddy for directing this wonderful show. Thank you so much, Direk. It's been a long time since I last worked with you, and I'm so happy that you and I were able to work together again. So thank you very, very much.
And I'm very thrilled to be working with you.
Parang galing sa taas, parang Diyos yung nagsalita. Direk Freddy naman ginugulat mo ko eh. Di ba parang Diyos yung nagsalita? No, but really, thank you. I love ya. Okay, wag na bigyan dito. Magulantang na naman ako. Okay, before that, I'd like to say thank you also to my band. On drums, we have Mr. Nino Regalado. On bass, we have Roger Herrera. On guitar, we have Cesar Aguas. On third keyboard, we have Gino Torres. Uy, Papa! Di ba Papa material? On second keyboard, we have Bon Samson. Uy, Papa rin! And of course, I'd like to introduce to you once again my good friends, The Opera, Zebedee, Sushi, Cecil, and Manolo. And of course, my orchestra, ladies and gentlemen, the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. Thank you. Last but not the least, my musical director for this evening, Mr. Gerard Salonga. Thank you so much, Gerard. Oh, gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much again for being here tonight. The crew and the staff, everybody from Epoy to Peggy, to my twin sisters, Becca and Diane, to Hiner, who pinaghihirapan niya kung ilagay ang bulaklak na yan dyan kasi wala akong mapagpinan, konti na lang i-glue. Ang bulaklak na yan. Of course, Patty, and who else? Sino pa? Si Edmo, sino pa? Kanina ko pa nga pinapansin yun eh, wag na yan. Nasa stage na nga siya, labis na yun ha. Si Epoy niya, si Wilmer, and everybody, Peachy, everybody, of course, John Batalla for lights. Thank you so much. And Renee! Thank you so much, Renee. He's over there doing the sound. Thank you so much, Renee. And everybody who worked so hard for this concert, maraming salamat po. At like I said, hindi pa po ito yung ending kasi pinagloloko lang ho talaga namin kayo. May oras pa ba kayo? Type nyo bang mag-request? Do you have any request? Hi! Ayan, kumanta ka. Ayan. Kantahin mo yung It's Written in the Sun. What kind of fool? I'm sure may magre-request nun. Sige, game ha. Huwag mong masyadong galingan kasi baka ako'y mapagkamalang bakla. Okay ka lang? Happy birthday. And maybe then I'll know what kind of fool Happy birthday! Sige ha, uuwi na ako. Anton, wait. Thank you. Ayan, may ipit pa yan ah. Galingan mo ah. Thank you, Anton. Thank you so much. Oh, duet daw, duet. Come bring me your softness. Come with me through all this madness. Woman, don't you know with you I'm born again. Ay.
I was happy, not alone.
Reaching through this world in need of one.
Come and show me your face. Your arms, I know I'll find peace. Woman, don't you know with you I'm born again. And lying safe within your arms, I'm born again.
Oh, diba? Thank you. Oh, ganda pa ng likod ko dyan. Naku, alin yung mic ko? Ha? Na-confused ako. Okay. Before I go, I'd like to say thank you to Manila Bulletin, our sponsors for tonight. Ano to? Bouquets of More Flores and Gift Shop. Tama ba yun? And I'd also like to say thank you to our official concert station, 93.9 DWKC, 91.1 WLS, Campus Radio, Joey, 92.3 Rhythms, 105.1 Crossover. And of course, I'd like to say thank